I got my KitchenAid vegetable sheet cutter noodle blade. So imagine that. Now I can make some delicious spaghetti noodle vegetables. I'm going to demonstrate with a zucchini and show you guys how that looks with the noodle blade attachment. Well, noodle blade that goes to the attachment that goes to the vegetable sheet cutter. I'm going to be demonstrating it by noodling up some zucchini. Stay tuned. Preparing to noodleize this zucchini. So stay tuned. I have it skewered into the device, and I have my noodle blade on there. If you can see, now it's kind of dark in here, but we're gonna see. Started. I know I'm making noise and stuff like that, but let's see. Turn the mixer on slow. I'm gonna lift. Kind of hard to do it on here. Okay. Now I'm gonna slowly move the blade towards the zucchini. Starts off kind of rocky, but there we go. Making noodles. It might not be all the way down because of the. Well, let me stop it and demonstrate another one. This zucchini probably wasn't the right size for it to give me stringy noodles, but let me turn that off. It did give me noodles. Excuse my hand, but as you can see those noodles? After I make these, I'm going to seal them, vacuum seal them with my food sealer, and store them in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. This looks so good. My mouth is watering just thinking about some delicious, fresh tasting spaghetti noodles, stir-fry noodles, whatever. However I want to taste them. So stay tuned, you guys. Okay, guys, this is the second noodle making zucchini. The second zucchini that I'm using to make some noodles. So slowly bringing. There we go. Rough cut first. You can see. And then it starts making the noodles. Beautiful. I hope you guys are seeing this. So it stops because I ran out of enough flesh on the vegetable to continue making any noodles. So here are all my long, beautiful noodles. You guys can see them. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gonna take pictures. Let me turn this off. By the way, if you guys are using this, you might not know if you didn't follow the directions. You cut it off on the mixer itself. I don't know what I was doing the first time when I tried this, but yep. So just wanted to share that little bit. But yep, look at the noodles here. Yep, I'm going to vacuum freeze these. I'm going to show you how I do that. Segueing into vacuum freezing the zucchini noodles that are going to be a terrific meal in the future. Voila. Okay, people, this FoodSaver machine, as you can see, FoodSaver, is this model here. It's a little dark because I have it sitting on a black top, stove top. So anyway, this is what we're going to be using to store these noodle zucchinis in. the zucchini noodles I just made with the KitchenAid attachment vegetable sheet cutter noodle blade to create these zucchini noodles with. Whew, I'm out of breath for that. But anyway, what I'm going to be doing, let me open it up so you guys can see in the inside. I have some plastic liners in here. This is the kind that, you guys can see my hand, this thing is the thing that cuts it. You slide it across like so, and it cuts the desired length of the bag you want to store your vegetable, meat, or whatever you want to store in here. So to do this, I will take the let me get this out here. Excuse me. I have this pulled off under the blade now, as you can see. What I'm going to do is just pull this down, as you can see it moving, to the length that I want to make the bag length. Whatever, you know, that's how far I pull it down to make the length of the bag. Underneath here it says where you put it on the line for sealing strip. That's where you're going to place the bag to seal it, so it'll be a bottom that's sealed up so the food won't fall out, for lack of a better explaining term. I'm going to seal the bag on that sealing strip, and it's going to seal the bag so my food doesn't fall out at that other end. And the other end I'm going to use to put the food inside of. And then what we're going to do is take the other end and seal it up after the food is inside. And voila, we have a vacuum sealed food bag. So let's get started. Okay, I think this is good enough. I don't want to waste a lot of my bag because, like I said, it's going to be there. So I'm going to start here. Okay, I'm going to close this up. Like I said, what we're doing, get my hand out of here, is just making the bag first. The lights came on because I pushed the lever down. You can't probably see, it's too dark. And I closed it so that turns the machine on. So all I'm going to do now is just press the word seal. And in a few minutes, the bag will be sealed on one end, so it's a complete bag. It's a bag. It's made a bag. So it went off, so that lets me know that it's ready. So now what I'm going to do is back this up so I don't waste a lot of my bag material, so I can cut it off to, if you can see, I know you probably can't see, I'm so sorry because of the light in here. I don't have better lights, but I thank you for watching this anyway, and I hope I'm explaining it well enough so you can see, understand what I'm doing. So now what I'm going to do now is just slide this thing over. I'm cutting the bag, I'm making a bag. Working with one hand, you guys, so bear with me. Okay, now I have a bag, and put my hand in there. The bag is now sealed. I'll be back. I'm going to place the food in the bag. Hold on, I'll be right back. Now, as you can see, I have the food now placed in the bag that I just made with the FoodSaver machine. Now, all we have to do now is seal the bag to take all the air out of there. So, hold on. I have to set it up in the machine. Be back. Okay, I'm getting ready to seal it. As you can see on the machine where it says vacuum channel, that's where I'm going to set the lips of the bag part where it's open, where I'm getting ready to seal. It's a reservoir in there, I guess, to catch the moisture, whatever comes out of this bag. So let us get ready. I'm going to turn the bag over because that's where it's laying toward the reservoir where it sits on that line to where it's going to draw the air out and seal it. Okay, closing it up and locking it down. There's the lights. What I'm going to do, I'm going to push the word moist. I'm going to use that. And then I'm going to press the words vacuum seal. Here we go. It makes noise, so sorry about the noise. If you're paying attention, you can see that bag is starting to crinkle up as the machine starts to suck all of the air out of the bag. I'm sorry for the noise. I'm going to stop talking now. As you can see, the air is being drawn out of this bag. And when the machine goes off, that means it's ready. The bag is sealed. The vegetables are tightly wound up in here. Well, sucked up in this bag. And when the light goes off on here, that means I can open it up. Use the seal on my bag. Everything is ready. It sealed it up. It's like when you buy, let me see, what's a good example? Meat that's vacuum packed and it's tightly in the pack. That's how these zucchini noodles are right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed my demonstration. I tried my best to do it as best as I can with what little light I have. Excuse me for not having great light, the greatest light in the world to make this video for you, but I just wanted to share this. Family members, or if you're watching, hope you guys enjoyed my demonstration of my FoodSaver device. I had this for a while. I do have another one. Hold on guys, I'm going to share some with you that I haven't used yet that goes with the FoodSaver machine. Be right back. Just wanted to share this item with you when I bought the FoodSaver machine. This was free. It's a quick marinating canister. This is one product yet. I'm laughing because I have not used this yet, and I've had it for a while. And one day, hopefully, I'll use it, but I haven't used it yet. So, guys, just wanted to come here and share some KitchenAid stuff, FoodSaver stuff with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. There's my zucchini noodles, all ready to go into the freezer. And until we meet again, alrighty. KitchenAid and FoodSaver kitchen gadgets, sharing the fun. This is another item that I haven't used yet. The wide mouth jar sealer that goes with the FoodSaver machine. This is a nice little product right here to use to take the air out of. You can see on there is peanuts and stuff. They're sucking all the air out the jar. Great, huh? Well, I haven't used that yet. But anyway, I'm going to share this video with you. These are the items that I use: the vacuum sealer and the KitchenAid vegetable sheet cutter. Thanks for watching. And please, if you like, subscribe, share my video. Please try and watch the whole video, but more than 2 minutes would be nice. And once again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Have a great day. Bye for now. Also want to share, I finally did get an Instapot. Niece, this is for you. You asked me, did I have an Instapot? Yes, I do. But I don't like the Instapot as much as I like my Emerald Lagousse's. Emerald Lagousse, I'm probably mispronouncing Emerald's name. The chef, he had a pressure cooker, and it was easy to use, and I loved it. This one, it's alright, but I'm kind of confused with it, but I love my Emerald. I need to get me another Emerald, but Instapot, it's alright. I use it every now and then. So, I'm just adding this in. Well, I'm sharing my KitchenAid and my FoodSaver. This will be in that video. Alright, you guys. Later.